So about a year ago, I realized I had a plastic problem and I started making my own soap. And in today's video, I thought I'd take you along with me as I make liquid soap. The easiest way to break down a bar of soap is either with a cheese grater, as seen here. I think you get a thicker consistency when you use a cheese grater, or with a hammer. Personally, I find the hammer faster, but either way works. The next step of the process would be to melt the soap. The easiest way to do it is to put it in a container and pour hot water over it. It'll take some time to melt, but it's minimal to no cleanup. The second method would be to boil the soap over the stove within a plastic bag, or put the plastic bag in the microwave. Both the microwave and the soap require one's attention to make sure it does not burn. Anywho, happy soap making, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!